welcome back to our channel again, guys. So ngayon, tingnan mukha natin. Good morning, it's Sunday. Pero yan, may dala-dala akong panlinis kasi lilinisan natin si Leo. And today pala, guys, is holiday kasi namatay daw yung sultan sa Kuwait. So sa pakikiisa nila, nagkakaroon ng 3 days holiday. So yun, punta tayo kay Lito. So yun, guys, kita nyo naman, ano natin si Leo. Gusto kong paliguan si Leo by tomorrow. So yun, punta na tayo dito sa my mall at magpalit tayo ng ng outfit. Parang ghost town tayo ngayon, kasi wala nang pasok. Usually dito super traffic na area to, but since traffic naman, walang pasok, so yan, parang ghost town. So yun, guys, very fruitful naman yung days natin last night kasi nakapag-edit tayo ng 2 video, guys. So hopefully today makapag-edit tayo ulit ng 2 video. So yan na naman kadami yung isasukat natin for today's, guys. Ayan. So yun, guys, nakapag shopping na tayo. Baba tayo, bibili tayo ng sabon kasi maglalaba tayo today, guys. We have to make laba-laba. Ayan. Tapos ihohol ko na lang sa inyo kung ano yung nabili natin at magkano yung na-dispal ko nating pera today. My goodness. May prutas, soya, kamatis. Kailangan pala natin ng lemon. Ganda ng kamatis nila, guys. Naman itong onion na to. So I need only 1 for the meantime. Okay. Guys, so I'm back. So andito na ako sa bahay, guys. As I said, ihuhol ko sa inyo kung ano yung napamili ko yesterday for shopping. So yan, brand Pearless. Dito kay Sauman, guys, maganda yung brand Pearless kasi branded talaga yung mga product nila. Parang yun yung mga yung pull out sa mall. Tapos pinagsama-sama nila like Lacoste, lahat ng mga branded na damit, nandoon, sama-sama sila. Zara, yung mga ganun guys. So first, ano ko sa inyo ito, shorts. Ang isa nito na isuot ko na buy one take one guys. This is only 1.5. Can you imagine that? 1.5 guys, 1.5. And then I have that dress. Look, this is really cute. I like the color also, and I think I've choose already one for my New Year outfit. So this one, and I think short, white short or black. And then I have this one. Lahat to guys ha, naka-sale. Pero ito, anong klaseng ano to? Made in Vietnam. Maganda talaga yung tela na to. O, tingnan nyo. Iwan ko lang kung maklaro nyo ba. Ayan. Sobrang ganda ng tela nito guys. This is made in Vietnam. Originally, the price was 10 real. So, down to 5 real. So, half price siya. So, ayan. Maganda yan siya. Okay. So, today is nabodol na naman ako. So, ayan. Skirt na plated. Ayan. Also, I have shirt. Maganda to pang winter. Pang work as well. Tapos, ito yung shorts na isusuot natin sa New Year. Ayan. Tapos maganda yung ano niya guys. Ayan oh. Hindi ko alam kung anong klaseng tela to. Basta ganyan siya. Then, finally, bralette. 5 real na to for 3 guys. This is, at saka maganda to kasi walang wire. Mas gusto ko kasi ngayon magsuot ng walang wire guys na mga bra. So, this is really good. Nice purchase. Meron na siyang 3 set for only 5 real or 700 pesos. Of course, I have a camisón inside. And this one also, I really like this color. I love it. This is from UK. It's ASOS design. Mamahalin tong ASOS na design guys eh. I got it like 2 real or 300 pesos. But I like it. Okay. So, yun lang naman guys. Ang video natin for today. Hindi ko alam. Ay, meron pa pala guys. Bumili na rin pala ako ng ito. Tissue kasi tumutulo na naman ilong natin. And of course, sabon. I have a ano tawag dito? Herbs or kinchay, I don't know. In English. I have tomato. I have 1 onion. I have a bell pepper or capsicum. I have a lettuce. This is very 250 lang siya. So, we have a lemon for our salad. We have also a cucumber. So, yun. Yun lang guys. Today, I spent for all my shopping around 20 real or 2,500. 2,600, 2,500. Something like that. So, yan guys. So, yan guys. Magluluto tayo ng adobong sitaw. Tapos, lagyan natin yan ng ano. Sitaw ba yan? Ay, ano pala? Egg. Lagyan natin ng eggplant. Alright? Hi guys, time check. It's already 10 minutes before 4. So wala tayong gagawin guys. Check ko naman lahat yung mga nabili natin. All goods naman. So yun yung update natin. Wala tayong internet dito sa bahay. Hindi tayo makapagpanood ng Netflix. Ay, Diyos ko Lord. So higa-higa lang tayo guys, tapos mag-delete tayo ng mga files dito sa phone natin. So wala naman akong idudugtong guys, kasi I just wanted to give a vlog like 10 minutes, you know, or not less than 30 minutes. Gusto ko nga maiksi lang na vlog guys eh. So now, i-close na natin tong vlog na to. Kung alis tayo mamaya, for sure we will open another vlog. So thank you guys for watching. Happy New Year to all of you. Bye!